Hi, and welcome back. My name is Juan Martinez. I am a data analyst, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve an intermediate level SQL problem. Okay, to solve this problem, we need to head to the SQLpractice.com website. So you can see I'm typing it, SQLpractice.com. This link is going to be in the description down below. After that, we need to click on the hospital database. Then we need to click on view all questions and select difficulty medium. So you can see here are 3 levels of difficulty. We need to select the intermediate one, and we are going to select the 9th question, which says show the city and the total number of patients in the city. So here I need to get rid of this. Then I can take a look at the table. So we can see columns for the patients table. So we can see first name, last name, gender, etc. So this is information about patients inside a hospital. If I click on hints, I can take a look at the expected output. So our output should look like this. We have a city column and a num patients column with numbers. And I can get a hint again by clicking on get hint button, and it shows some keywords I can use, for example, select, count, group by, order by, and descending. And if I click on get hint again, I can see a portion of the code. So here I can see that it is using this. But now I suggest to you and I encourage you to solve this problem by yourself. Go to the website and try it yourself. If you cannot do it by your own and you need help, you can always resume the video and we can do it together, or we can compare your results with mine. And okay, so first of all, we need to understand the problem. What is the question trying to telling us? So the question says, show the city and the total number of patients in the city. Order from most to least patients, and then by city name ascending. Okay, so we can begin by breaking it down step by step. So first we need to show the city. I'm starting with the select statement. So the city and the total number of patients in the city. So where is the city? Where is information about cities in the table? I can see there is a city column, so I'm going to select that. Select city from patients. So if I run this query, if it's not the correct solution, we are not done yet, but I can see the cities inside the table. And also we need to show the total number of patients in the city. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We can do that by selecting count everything, because we need to count the number of patients. So what is the number of patients? So first of all, I'm going to give an alias to this, count as num patients. So I could count patient ID, because the patient ID, like each unique patient ID refers to each in a unique patient. But I need to count the total number of patients inside this city. So I need to count the total number of patients in the Barrie city, in Hamilton, in Toronto, in Ancaster, and Brantford. So I'm not only counting the total patients in the table, but I need to count by city. I need to divide, or I need to count how many people are from which city. So to do that, I need to do group by, and I need to group by city. And if I do this, I can have the number of patients. Okay, the number, I'm counting the patient ID inside each city. So I can see that Barry appears, no, sorry. In Bartonville, there are 3 patients. So I can just make sure that I'm doing it correctly by doing select. Okay, I'm going to select everything from patients where city equals, for example, Bartonville. So we should have only 3 results if I run this selection. And indeed, we have only 3 rows of data, 3 results, and 3 patients. The patient number, well, for example, Cash, Elvis, and Andrew are the only 3 patients from the city Bartonville. So I'm getting close to get this, the answer of the question. So I just confirmed that I'm doing it correctly. So in Bartonville, there are only 3 patients, or 3 patients come from this city only. But now I need to order by, or from most to least patients. So I need to order by this counting. I need to order by count patient ID. I'm going to close this. And then I need to order by city name in ascending order. So I'm going to order by city, ASC. So now I'm going to format the query so that it is easier to understand and to read. Okay, so let's review what we have done. So we are selecting the city column, and we are counting how many patient ID are in the city. So from the patients table, and we are grouping by city because we want to count the number of patient ID inside each city. And we are ordering by this number, so from the least patients to most patients, and by the city in ascending order. So if I run this query, I see that I have something wrong. What is it? Near city syntax error. Let me see. I'm just reformatting everything. If I run the query, it says we have the incorrect solution. Okay, so maybe what I can do, oh, sorry, from most to least patients. So I need to count this in descending order, because my output showed the least patients, so 1 patient only in this city and 1 patient, but the output it gets 1900 patients in this city, and it goes down, the number drops. So that what's have been doing wrong. So now we got the query correct, and as you can see, we got the same as the expected output. And also you can see the solution provided by the website. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to follow, and if you have another solution, leave it in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one.